Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Number 164, practical problem number 6. Vrushali and Leena are equal partners. Now what they are equal partners. Whatever profits, losses, they are going to share equally. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 stood as under. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. Liabilities. See, creditors is given 90,000. Then capital, Leena Vrushali 45,000 and Leena 30,000. Total is 75,000. Then there is accumulated profit in the form of general reserve 18,000. Asset side, cash in bank 62,000. Debtors 31,000 less RDD is given. Okay, 1,000. Then building 55,000, machinery 24,000 and bills receivable 12,000. Total of balance sheet is 1,83,000. Now they have admitted Aparna on 1st April 2018 on the following terms. See, the land and building be depreciated by 10%. The machinery and building, both the assets, machinery and building is to be depreciated by 10%. Then RDD, reserve for doubtful debts, is to be increased by 5,000. Then bills receivable are taken over by Vrushali at a discount of 10%. Then Aparna should bring 60,000 as capital for her 1/4 share in future profits. The capital accounts of all the partners be adjusted in their proportion in the new profit sharing ratio by opening current accounts. Now in the before example number 5, it was through cash account it was. Okay, now they have said that excess amount be adjusted in their current account. So you are asked to prepare profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account and the balance sheet of new firm. Okay. Now I will first show you the working. See, working note. Now we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, because see, Aparna has brought 60,000 as capital for 1/4 share for future profits, 1/4 share in future profits. So working note, let the total share of the firm be 1. So 1 minus the incoming or new partner share 1/4. So remaining is 3/4. Okay. Now Vrushali's new share, how much? See, they are equal partners, means आधे आधा वो लेंगे दोनों भी. So half means 1/2 into remaining 3/4, that comes to 3/8. Same way, so it will also come to 3/8. Then Aparna's share, see what she is going to share in future, 1/4 shares in the future profit. So 1/4. To make denominator 8, we will have to multiply it by 2/2. So 2/2, so 2/8. Now all the denominators are same, 8, 8, 8. So 3:3:2. So the new profit sharing ratio of Vrushali, Leena and Aparna for 2 ratio she is bringing 60,000. So for how much should Leena bring for the 3 share or for 3 parts? That will come to 90,000. Vrushali also 90,000. So this will be their new capitals in the new balance sheet, that is 90,000, 90,000 and 60,000. I have now prepared profit and loss adjustment. There is no appreciation of any assets, but there is depreciation on what? Machinery and building. There is depreciation also. RDD, they have given 1000 RDD, but by rupees 5000. So we will take 5000. So see, profit and loss adjustment account, particulars amount. Now to machinery, 2400. Okay. Then to building, 5500. To RDD, 5000. Because they have told to maintain reserve for doubtful debts by rupees 5000. Then discount on bills receivable. Now bills receivable are taken by Vrushali, okay, the partner. So she has asked for a discount that comes to 1200. Okay, 10% discount is given to Vrushali. So that comes to, that is a loss for the firm, 1200. Now see, everything is on the debit side, nothing, no appreciation of asset is there. So we will total up. हम क्या करेंगे, इसका total ले लेंगे, क्योंकि appreciation of assets नहीं है, सिर्फ depreciation है, loss है. तो 15,100 हम लोग यहाँ पर by revaluation account 15,100 वृषाली और लीना में equally बांटेंगे, because they are equal partners and we are going to share profits and losses in their old profit sharing ratio. तो ये आ गया 7,050, 7,050. This has come to 7,050, 7,050. So here we have completed profit and loss adjustment account. Now cash account. See, to balance brought down 62 as per your existing balance sheet, 62,000. Aparna has bought as capital amount rupees 60,000. So 60 plus 62 will be 1,22,000. By balance carried down, this will appear in the new balance sheet, 1,22,000. Because they have not said that it should be adjusted in cash. तो हमें अभी कैश में नहीं एडजस्ट करना है, ठीक है. नाउ पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, पर्टिकुलर्स वृषाली लीना अपर्णा, पर्टिकुलर्स वृषाली लीना अपर्णा. सी, अभी क्या है, बाय बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन 45,000 एंड 30,000. जो एग्जिस्टिंग या अभी बैलेंस शीट है उसके ऊपर बैलेंसेस कितने दिए हैं उनके, 45,000 एंड 30,000. रिजर्व, जनरल रिजर्व है 18,000, वो भी दोनों में इक्वली बच जाएगा. दैट इज अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू बोथ ऑफ देम इक्वली. सो 18,000 का आधा, हाउ मच, हाफ ऑफ 18,000 विल बी 9,000 एंड 9,000. फिर अपर्णा कैश में क्या लेके आई है, कैपिटल. सो बाय बैंक 60,000. तो देखो बाय बैंक 60,000 टू अपर्णास कैपिटल अकाउंट 60,000. फिर अभी इनके बैलेंसेस क्या होने चाहिए, देखो यहाँ पे 90,000, 90,000, 60,000. तो यही बैलेंसेस चाहिए. दीज विल ओनली बी द बैलेंसेस विच आर टू बी मेंटेन्ड. सो 90,000, 90,000 and 60,000. This should be the balances and this will appear in the new balance sheet. Now we will total up Aparna's account. So 60,000, 60,000. This account is closed. Now Leena, see, Leena, there is a revaluation loss, then revaluation loss is written over here. ये side आया है. On the credit side, this will come to partners capital account debit side. So revaluation loss 7,500. Vrushali has taken bills receivable at a discount of 10%. तो 10% माइनस कर देंगे 12,000 में से, तो 10,800 बचेगा. Now if you total up this is more and this is less. 45 and 9,000, how much it will be? 54,000 only it will be. Whereas 1,08,000, 1,07,850 will be the total. देखो यहाँ की टोटल लॉस है 7,050, एसेट लिया है सो इट विल बी ऑन द डेबिट साइड 10,800 और ये बैलेंस चाहिए 90,000, सो टोटल विल बी 1,07,850. मगर यहाँ पर टोटल कितना आ रहा है? ओनली 54,000. दैट इज जनरल रिजर्व और कैपिटल, बाकी तो कुछ है ही नहीं. सो दिस टोटल माइनस 54, द रिमेनिंग विल बी ट्रांसफर टू देयर current account. See 53,850. अभी लीना सी 97,050, मगर यहाँ पर कितना आ रहा है? 39,000 ओनली आ रहा है. सो 97,050 माइनस 39,000 दैट विल बी 58,050. तो यहाँ पर बाय करंट अकाउंट्स आई एम गोइंग टू राइट बाय करंट अकाउंट. वाई करंट अकाउंट? Because in the sum they have said that the amount be adjusted in their new profit sharing ratio and the by opening current accounts. So this will be their current accounts. So current account balances will be this. Now here we have completed. Now totaling up Leena's account, that will come to 97,050. Here also 97,050. Then Vrushali 1,07,850. Here also 1,07,850. Now I am going to prepare the new balance sheet. I hope this all you have understood well. Now we are going to draw the new balance sheet or prepare the new balance sheet. Now new balance sheet. Liabilities amount, assets amount. Now I will first tell you the asset side. Cash at bank, the very first item was given here, 62,000 was there. Now how much amount? 1,22,000. देखो मैंने कैश जब हमारे बैलेंस शीट में, जो पुरानी वाली बैलेंस शीट थी, पहले वाली बैलेंस शीट थी, उसमें कितना था? 62,000. And now the cash at bank has come to 1,22,000. I have prepared the cash account and shown you how it has come. Then debtors, how much? 31,000. Old RDD was rupees 1,000 and now they have told us to make by rupees 5,000. So less RDD 1,000 plus 5,000, that comes to 6,000. So minus 31,000 from 6,000. So how much? Outer column 25,000. Building, see 55,000 less depreciation at the rate of 10%, 5,500. So outer column 49,500. Machinery 24,000 less depreciation at the rate of 10% comes to 2,400. Outer column 21,600. Now bills receivable are not there because they are taken by Vrushali at 10% discount. तो हमने कहाँ पे लिया था? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में लिया था डिस्काउंट ऑन बिल्स रिसीवेबल, and the net amount of bills receivable asset is taken by the partner. So we had debited the capital account of Vrushali. Okay. Now the balances should be 90,000, 90,000 and 60,000. So Vrushali's, what they have told? They have told to make adjustment in the current account. तो अभी वृशाली's करंट अकाउंट डेबिट बैलेंस है 53,850. लीना's करंट अकाउंट डेबिट बैलेंस 58,050. Okay, here I have completed asset side. Now liabilities side, see sundry creditors 90,000. There is no change. There was general reserve, but that is distributed among old partners. and अभी partners capital account in their new profit sharing ratio, so 90,000, 90,000 and 60,000. The total comes to rupees 3,30,000. Here both the side totals up to 3,30,000. Here we have completed this sum. I hope you have understood it well. If you don't understand, see it twice, thrice, and if you have any doubts, you can write me in the comment box.